Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to form an LLC with BIZEE. Download the BIZEE app, install the BIZEE app from your App Store, iOS, Android. Create an account. Open the app and sign up for an account using your email address or a social media login. This will be your main access point for forming an LLC. Select LLC formation. Navigate to the business section and choose LLC formation. Enter business details. Once logged in, navigate to the business section in the app. BIZEE allows users to easily form an EE, LLC, or other business entities. Select the LLC formation option. Choose a package. BIZEE offers different packages for LLC formation. These packages may include registered agent services, EIN, employer identification number, filing, and other legal assistance. Select the one that fits your needs and budget. Submit information. Review and submit your details for processing. BIZEE handles the filings. Receive confirmation. Once your LLC is successfully formed, BIZEE will send you the official documents, including your articles of organization and any additional certificates needed to officially start operating your business. Set up business management tools. After forming your LLC, BIZEE offers a suite of tools to help manage your business, such as ICE project management, invoicing, and tax tracking. Set up these tools to streamline your operations. Thank you for watching.